Welcome viewers. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use for and since in a sentence. So let's begin. Basically, we use for in a sentence when we want to tell about a period of time, complete period of time, right from the beginning till end. So, for is used to show a period of time, not a point of time. Always remember, complete period, complete duration of time from start to end. For example, for 3 hours, for 2 years, for 10 minutes, for one week. So, for can be used with the past, present and future with all the tenses. For denotes the start of time till the end of time, till to end. For example, I show you. I have lived in this city for 10 years. Now you can see here how many years? 10 years, right from the beginning till end. For means till now, okay? So we use for 10 years. Here we cannot say since 10 years. Here duration is given 10 years. So for 10 years. And this can be used in present perfect tense. I have lived, have, present perfect. My father worked in that company for a long time. For a long time. Long time in the sense maybe 10 years, 20 years, whatever. And it is used in past tense. My father worked, past tense. For a long time, not since a long time. My friend is going to stay with me for 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Complete duration of time. Not since 3 weeks. For 3 weeks. And future tense. My friend is going to stay. Future tense. So, for can be used with past, present and future tense. And always remember, for we use when we want to tell complete duration of time. Not the point of time, beginning of the time. No, complete duration of time. Now the use of since. When do we use since? First of all, we should know that we use since when we want to tell the beginning of the time. When did you start that action? And for that we use since. We use since for a point of time in the past. When did you start? The actual time you started that thing. Since is used to describe an action that began in the past and continues in the present. No matter your work is going on, but here what is important? When did you start? The beginning point of time. For example, I have been working since morning. Still you are working, but you want to tell when did you start? Since morning. This is point of time you started. Tom has lived here since he was a child. Tom is still living here, but when did he start? When did he start living here? When he was a child. Mona has not watched any movie since 2020. So you can say, yet Mona has not watched any movie. And when did she stop? Since 2020. After 2020, she has not watched any movie. So since 2020. So this we use since when we want to tell the point of time. Exactly when the action actually begin. Now let us revise the use of for, the use of since. We use for complete duration of time, for 5 years, for a long time, for many years, for 3 weeks, for a month, complete month, for some time, for 5 minutes, complete duration of time, we use for. Since I told you when the action begin. So since Monday, since my birth, since 2021, since June, since I met you, since I started my job, since morning. So always remember since when we want to tell the beginning of time, the point of time when actually the action begin. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.